If your bathtub already feels unsafe, choosing the wrong safety upgrade can leave you with the same problem or create a brand new one. Hi, I'm Will Culleton, tub and shower specialist. In this video, I'm going to break it down by walking you through three real problems we see in Ottawa bathrooms every day, and whether a walk-through tub or a walk-in tub actually solves them. Problem number one, getting in and out feels risky. This is the big one. Most slips and falls don't happen while bathing, they happen while stepping over the tub wall. A walk-through tub solves this by lowering the entry point. You're still using the tub the same way, you're just stepping through instead of over. No awkward balance movement. A walk-in tub, on the other hand, solves this differently. You open a door, step in, sit down, close the door, and then fill the tub. It removes the step, but it also changes your entire routine. So the question isn't which is safer, it's how much change do you actually need to feel safe again. Problem number two, I don't want my bathroom to feel complicated. This is where a lot of homeowners get stuck. A walk-through insert turns your standard tub into a safer step-in shower. It has a low molded step-in that makes entry and exit much easier than a traditional tub. The design reduces the risk of tripping, gives you more of an accessible walk-in feel, and still keeps water contained inside the bathing area. It's a great option for anyone looking for added safety and comfort without doing a full bathroom renovation. A walk-in tub adds structure, built-in seating, grab bars, and sometimes therapeutic features. That can be helpful if balance or mobility is already a bigger issue, but for some people, it ends up being more than they actually needed. So this problem isn't about features. It's about whether you want less risk or a completely different bathing experience. Problem number three, I want this fixed without turning my home upside down. Cost and disruption matter more than people expect. A walk-through tub conversion works with what you already have. That means lower cost, minimal plumbing changes, faster installation, and very little disruption. A walk-in tub is a full replacement. While installing a walk-in tub is an investment, it's one that brings unmatched safety, comfort, and independence. For many homeowners, once they see that difference, the decision becomes much clearer. When you step back and look at the problems, not just the products, it usually comes down to this. If your main issue is safety getting in and out, a walk-through tub often solves the problem cleanly, affordably, and without changing how your bathroom works. Walk-in tubs absolutely have their place, especially when seated bathing or advanced support is needed. Making the right choice starts with understanding the problem you're actually trying to solve, not just the option that sounds safest on paper. If this helps you clarify things, like and subscribe for more real-world advice on tub and shower upgrades. See you in the next video.